don't have a choice, Claire. They say that I hit him 4 times. Twice after he was on the ground. The case against me is overwhelming. There is no way that a jury is going to believe self-defense. And if they convict me of murder, it could be 25
Една жена која е лажно обвината за убиство на сопругот е ослободена од затвор после 8 години. Таа ангажира приватен истражувач за да дознае кој ја наместил за убиството. Сепак, таа не сваќа дека убиецот повторно ќе го стори тоа. Наместена за убиство. Среда, 21 часот и 35 минути.
Letting you out a week early was a nice surprise. You should have let me cancel the trip so Sammy could be here.
Oh no, I really didn't want him to miss it.